companies, maker and distributors. What do I do? Firstly, let's say, how many of us here have experienced township life? Either grew up in a township, have friends in a township, or know anyone in a township? Many of us. And how many of us here have seen township businesses that have actually been sustainable? We're talking about your retail shops. How many? Good. All right. So my plan is to introduce point of sale systems to township businesses. These point of sale systems will be open source, so it will cost them nothing, no license fees, absolutely nada. But the problem is that they don't have any money to pay for these point of sale systems. How do I make money? How do I create employment? Enterprise development funds from companies. Next year, BEE is getting beefed up. More money has to be spent into enterprise development. This is where I come in with my open source point of sale system for the township businesses. Obviously, they will need business skills. This is where other businesses come up that I will have to co-op with to provide business skills to these businesses in townships. Obviously, again, what we need, hardware. I'm thinking strategically to open up a manufacturing plant. How many point of sale systems do we have in South Africa that need to be replaced in 3 years or so? There's a lot of money going in there. And then again, a company like SAB with customers that are in townships. Let's think data warehouses. Can SAB think what they can do with the data they will get from those point of sale systems in the townships? How much will that data be worth? Sorry, this is nerve-wracking. So I'm thinking we install the systems in townships, paid for by SAB. SAB buys the data in order to help them with their business, with their manufacturing process, in order for them to produce on time the right stuff for the right people. Ship 3 trucks to the right place at the right time, because you know, at this time of the month, this is what people drink. We can sell this information as well to other manufacturing companies, like let's talk the whole SAB, Miller, Cokes, and so let's talk everyone else that sells your fish and all of that. All this data is very, 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 very crucial to your manufacturing of products that you need to sell to the consumers. And that's exactly me. Open source business, point of sale systems for township businesses.